Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss how you can disable or turn off a Microsoft flow which we call in a new name called as Power Automate. Whenever we don't want any flow or any Power Automate that will be active, then how we can disable this, right? So let us open the Power Automate, and to see all your flows you can click on this my flows. This view will give all the flows, all Power Automate flows that you have created in the list. So these are the Power Automate flows that I have created. Now if I want to disable this, I can just click on this. Then you will find there is a button called as turn off. Now the turn off actually disables the flow to run, but if you want to delete the flow or the Power Automate from your system, from your environment, then you have to click on delete. But delete will completely delete from environment. You cannot reuse it. You have to design your flow from scratch. But if you want to disable it or turn off, you have to click this turn off button, so that the flow will remain in your environment, but it will not be active. It will not do the logic what we have written in the flow. But if you want to turn on, then you can click on turn on. Now this way we can disable many flows that are available in my environment whenever I feel that the flow is not necessary now, and in future session if I want to enable that flow, then I can use this toggle button. So turn off and turn on, this is a very important option for every flow that you can use to disable and enable a specific flow. Okay, so there are other options also, I will tell you in other sessions. So thank you.